In this video, I will share with you how I made an elegant floral arrangement using artificial flowers. The flowers I used are faux hydrangea, rose, eucalyptus, and small daisy. These are wire stem suit for hydrangea head. Then we will connect hydrangea head with the wire stem. Let's begin my floral arrangement. First, I'm creating a greenery base for my arrangement using eucalyptus. Second, we can put some small daisies in the vase for embellishing. The branches contain wire, which can be bent and adjusted at will. Then put blue hydrangea and white rose evenly throughout the vase. Also, to add more interested in texture to arrangement, you can make some of the flowers higher, some of them lower. So here is my finished summer flower arrangement for home decoration. I hope you enjoyed this video about floral arranging. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this floral arrangement.